Anyone with a dog, a cat or kids knows the mess doesn't wait until the hoover's charged and you've dragged out the cupboard. But that is where this comes in. This is the Ryobi cordless handheld vac, and it lives on the side ready to grab the second something spills. Muddy paw prints across the kitchen floor, fur on the sofa, whatever's ended up in the footwell of the car, this will pick it all up in seconds. And the best thing is that if you buy the Ryobi Combi Drill Kit from ITS right now, this hand vac comes free. So you've got a drill for putting shelves up and something to deal with the dust it leaves behind after. Now in front of me here is Ryobi's Combi Drill Kit, and it's perfect for use around the home. With this drill, you're getting 3 different modes. Of course, you can drill into wood, plastics and metal, but you can also switch to a hammer mode when drilling into masonry. And you can use the clutch settings, of which there are 22, for controlled screw driving. An all-metal chuck on the front here means that this can take accidental bumps and hits, and you can also see a little LED work light on the front, which is perfect for if you're drilling inside a dark space like a kitchen cupboard. Now, if you've already got Ryobi tools, then this is a no-brainer. That's because it's part of the ONE Plus ecosystem. That means it uses the same battery you use for your combi drill, your grass trimmer, and over 200 other Ryobi ONE Plus tools. So there's no need to buy into another ecosystem. Everything you want to do, you can do with the Ryobi ONE Plus. In this kit, you're getting 2 batteries included, plus a charger, and there's even a double-sided screwdriver bit to get you started. And remember, if you buy this today, we'll even throw in a free Ryobi hand vacuum so that you can clean up after all that drilling. The Ryobi RPD 1.8 kit is available right now at its.co.uk.